SUVs are about adventure. It's a machine for freedom. And this feeling we want to put through our design into the mind of our customers. Our design is very nicely executed, it's very puristic, it's very clean. And what we're aiming for is a timeless approach.
It's a bit more design, it's a bit more image. This one really shows up. It's got great presence, it's got great visual appeal, great design aesthetic, and I think it's a good distinctive fit.
Probably a lot of the successful five-seater SUVs, as I mentioned, are people who are looking for design. So the customer there is more design orientated and design focused. So I think the direction we've taken to make the Crossport a little bit more sporty, a little bit more sleek, really focusing on the very sporty looking R-Line package is definitely the right direction.
The Crossport is more about aerodynamic, elegant proposition, but it is essential that this is a more emotional proposition. You have a very nice sloping roof, it has a very dynamic stance, but the interior space is not compromised.
For me, the most beautiful angle of the car is the rear three-quarter, because really that's where you get that coupe-style pillar. That's really where the car looks completely different to the Atlas. And I think it's just really, really pretty without compromising a whole bunch of space. So still interior comfort remains, yet you've got this beautiful and attractive fastback looking coupe. I also think the other thing that also is really nice is our selection of wheels. So we've revamped our entire wheel offer structure, going all the way up to 21-inch wheels. So I think when you combine the R-Line package, this coupe-styled vehicle with beautiful 21-inch wheels, it will turn heads on the road.
When we do an interior design, we want to aim for something that is very well executed, and you have this level of sophistication that you expect from premium cars, but on an entry price.
I think the first cool feature is we get the new what we call MQB steering wheel. So I think that is pretty cool. So the conventional steering wheel that we've seen in the car today gets refined and totally replaced. So that's pretty cool. More added functionality on some of the buttons. We also have new exciting interior leather and cloth interior options, different from what is offered in the Atlas today. And we've also just worked on a little bit more stitching here and there. So you'll see a little bit more stitching, a little bit more double stitching. So I really think just a cabin that feels a little bit more upmarket and a little bit more premium on the inside.
It is about the level of attention you put into detailing. We really dig deep into the execution of every little piece and every little detail. So it's a love for detailing that we put as designers and engineers in our cars that makes them so different.
It allows you to really show up in style, show up with grace and elegance and prestige, yet without showing off. You didn't overpay for it. You got a great value. So I think it really addresses the sweet spot of what America is looking for.
This is what we are heading for, to create things that you admire, and when you see them you think, wow, that's cool, that's something that stands out and shines. That's our aim.